To change the counterweight cables, you'll need a set of screwdrivers, protective gloves, and new cables to be installed. All operations must be carried out by habilitated persons. Start by moving the elevator down. Press the system button, then move. Unlock the safety button. It must not be released during the entire procedure. Press the arrows in the elevator section to position it at your height. Open the switchboard door. Shut down D12 to operate safely. You must now remove the elevator's electronic circuit board. Remove the two metal clips. Move the circuit board without taking it out. Unplug the RJ45 cable. Remove the circuit board. Place the elevator at its end position by hand. Place a screwdriver in the chute hole on either side of the elevator. Place a wedge under the elevator to prevent its descent when removing the cables. To remove the cable, start by unhooking it from the elevator, then remove it from the counterweight hook blocked by the screwdriver. Do the same for the other cable. To fit the new cable, start by hanging the new cable ring to the counterweight. Insert the new cable in the groove of both pulleys. Pull on the cable to reach the elevator hook. Hook the cable to the elevator. Pull on the cable to raise the counterweight and release the screwdriver. Do the same for the other cable. Put D12 back up. Press the Windows key on the keyboard and click on the triangle-shaped icon to open the Guardian. Click Reboot, then Reboot Software.